Okay, so now onto Sigfigs. These are the rules for Sigfigs. So the first one of the rules is that any real number 1 through 9 is a significant number. So basically, any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all of those are significant. The second one is that any zeros wedged between two significant numbers are also significant. So for instance, you could have the number 101 or 203 or however many zeros you want in the middle, like 1000005. And those would all be significant. Third one, all zeros are simultaneously to the right of the decimal point and at the end of the number are always significant. So if you have 103.0, 0 is significant. But if you have 1030, this 0 is not significant. So in 103.0, you would have 4 Sigfigs, and in this one, you would only have 30. And the last rule is that all zeros to the left of the decimal point and are in a number greater than or equal to 10 are always significant. So you could have a number like this one. You could have 103.0, and this 0 could be significant. Now let's take the example we did before with the displacement, where we found that the displacement was 11.1803 newtons. All of these are newtons. You must have units. And so if we take this number and write it here, 11.1803. So basically in this triangle, you are adding numbers. And when you add numbers, you take out of all of these numbers that you have added together, so the 10 and the 5, you take the one which has the least decimal points. But in this case, we don't have decimal points. So we take the one with the least Sigfigs. Now, since they both have one Sigfig, the 10 has 1 because the 0 is non-significant, and the 5 is significant, so each one has 1 Sigfig. So therefore our answer has to have 1 Sigfig. So what do? We round first. 11.1803, this 1 keeps the 11 the same. So later, after that we'd have 11. Now 11 has 2 Sigfigs. So we change 11 to the closest number that has 2 Sigfigs. And so we could pick between 10 or 20. And 11 is closer to 10, so your final answer would have 10.